This new Tecno phone has a battery twice the size of iPhone. If you're an Android user who has been dreaming of an iPhone 17 alternative that costs less and goes much longer, you no longer have to dream. Better yet, Tecno just walked into the room to remind us that thin shouldn't mean dead by noon. Unveiled ahead of MWC 2026. The newly unveiled TECNO POVA Curve 2 5G is somewhat of a mid-range miracle that manages to be just 7.42 millimeters thin while packing in a massive 8,000 mAh. In comparison, the iPhone 17 sports a 7.99 millimeter thickness and a 3,692 mAh battery. Anyone who actually uses their phone knows the struggle of a tiny battery. Tecno seems to have found the Goldilocks zone here by creating a device that manages to weigh just 195 grams despite being super thin. It's available in a choice of melting silver, storm titanium, or our personal favorite, mystic purple, all of which feature a futuristic design inspired by interstellar spaceships, which is the kind of using techie-forward design we've come to expect from Tecno series. It isn't just a pretty face either. The POVA Curve 2 is built for the real-world use with IP64 dust and water resistance, Corning Gorilla Glass 7i, and SGS-certified 1.5-meter drop protection. Notably, this 8,000 mAh battery is 2,500 mAh, larger than the previous POVA Curve generation, yet the phone remains remarkably compact. And with 45-watt fast charging, it's clearly designed for people who don't want to be tethered to a wall. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7105G processor, and it sports a 144Hz curved AMOLED display. The TECNO POVA Curve 2 5G hits the Indian market this February and will be showcased at MWC 2026 in Barcelona. Unfortunately, there's no word yet on pricing or when it will be released globally, but knowing Tecno, it will be priced very competitively.